Today we're going to install an image sensor. Let's start with what's in the box. You have your image sensor, your bag of accessories, a little bag of hardware, batteries, and your installation guide. Always read your installation manual before you begin. You have two choices. You can go flat up against the wall or in a corner. I'm going to mount this one in the corner. Next, we're going to screw this onto the back of the image sensor. To get the back off the image sensor, you slide it off just like this. Choose whether to mount it at 6 feet or 8 feet. Your image sensor should come with a small packet of hardware. Locate the small screw and put it right in there. And then screw it in. Then you're going to slide it back on to the image sensor. We're going to slide the image sensor onto the mount and then hold it in place with the peg.